Once we started the process of looking for a wedding venue, within weeks we received an invitation to a friend's wedding that was going to be here. And once we came here, we actually fell in love with it from the beginning. And we just knew that it was where we would end up getting married. We still wanted to give other places a chance to see what they offered and the amenities that were available along with it, but we always started with what Taylor Made Farms had to offer, and we always came back to Taylor Made Farms as the one we love. The thing we liked the most about the Pavilion, other than the views again, was the space. Everyone was comfortable, it's beautiful, it's relaxed, it's not a very tight to make people feel uncomfortable, it's just open, airy. Our little boy coming down the aisle in his wagon, he was very content. My nephew was pulling him. There's a lot of moments that I look back and say, you know, that was awesome. That was one of the key parts of our fabulous day. I think the thing that I was the most excited about, obviously, other than seeing my soon-to-be husband stand at the end of the aisle, was the fact it was sunny, it was beautiful, the views, the sunlight, the mountains. We got married on the 16th of October and the leaves had started to turn. The thing I like the most about the bridal suite is the room. As far as the space, my girls and I had more than enough room to get ready. All the amenities were here. We actually started our day with some drinks that morning and we had a lot of space, but overall I would think the bridal suite, other than the fact of it being so beautiful, it was very spacious and gave us enough room and we didn't feel cramped and like we had minimal space to move. To speak on the staff again, we never had to ask for anything. I mean, they took it and ran with it. They knew our vision, they knew what we wanted, they knew, they just knew. I mean, we developed a good friendship with them from the get-go and they're wonderful people and I just, you know, they accommodated over, above and beyond and we're forever thankful to have Taylor Made Farms to have been part of our fabulous day.
Wasn't one thing that went past them that they said no. They just made our day that much more perfect. With every request that we had, it was almost instantaneously, yes, we will help you do whatever you want to do. The moonlight dancing. Like for the first dance, you have the fireplace, you have the open concrete, you know, the stars, the moon for the night wedding, the dancing. I could sit here all day and just talk about everything here at this place, but you just have to come here and visit to get the full effect of everything that we've been talking about. The thing I like the most about the setting here is obviously the views. And the way this place is positioned, there's not a bad spot in the house. I mean, wherever you sit, stand, it's perfect. The way the sun sets in the evenings, everything about it, awesome.
We wanted this day for us to be wonderful and, you know, simple and flawless, and it was all the above, and it's better than we could ever imagined.